Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe to my channel, check out some of my other content, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. So today's video is a collab video. This is my Finally Fall collab that I'm hosting, and I have changed the way that I do my collabs. Now my collabs are for members only, so I do have memberships for my page. You can check the link down below and check out the perks of the memberships. This video is this is the fourth video I've tried to record. I did 3 other designs. They didn't come out right. I was building nails. I was doing all kinds of stuff, and it just wasn't coming out right. So I'm just using a previous set of nails that I did. I did a ASMR video removing gel polish. So these are those nails. This original color is I think First Nude by Not Polish, and their website and my discount code is below. So today I'm just gonna do a fall gel polish design, and I'm using, I'll actually go over what I'm using when I show the bottles because I don't remember the colors that I used. And I don't have them near me as I do this voiceover. So I'm just gonna go in with a base coat. I'm gonna go in with 2 coats of the gel polish, and after that I'm gonna go in with another coat of base coat to kind of give me a little bit more tact so I can adhere that glitter that I'm going to use. So again, this is part of my a collab that I'm hosting, and the members of the collab, I am gonna shout them out in this video as well. Oh, Haunt Me by Madam Glam, and this is Beetles color 265. I don't remember what collection it came from, but I've used this nude a lot. It's one of my favorite nudes for my skin tone. So I realize my flexi finger has a different skin tone than me, but yeah, I just went with it anyway. So that was Haunt Me by Madam Glam. The top and the base coat's going to be by Madam Glam. So pretty simple product list today. The glitter that is at the top of your screen is just a random glitter mix I created. I just threw some golds together, chunky golds, fine golds. And then the leaves I'm using are from Eden's Rose, her website, which is in the description box below, and also I have a discount code for that website. I did swatch her acrylics. I will link that video above for you so you can see some of the other stuff that comes that she offers on her website. So the first channel member I want to shout out is Addicted to Pink Nails, and her information will be linked down below as well. So she is a YouTuber, and she also does sell acrylics and glitter mixes and nail art stuff on her website, and that's edensrose.com. So definitely guys check out her channel. She does a lot of design videos. She does videos on her flexi hand. She does videos on people. She does nails on herself as well. That's what I meant to say instead of videos on people, nails on people. So definitely check out her channel and then some of her nail art, and again she will be linked down below. So on this set I'm just trying to go in with my first coat as thin as possible. I want to get a good foundation for the gel polish. I don't want it to run into my cuticles or my side walls, and that's kind of why I paint the nails the way that I do. First of all, these are really long, so I want to make sure I get coverage, but I don't want to start at the cuticle area and leave the bulk of the gel polish there. So that's why I start more towards the middle of the nail with my first couple of strokes. So my second coat, I did go in with a little bit thicker of a coat because I wanted to make sure that there was coverage. With Madam Glam, you can go in with a thicker initial coat, but again, I didn't want to flood cuticles or sidewalls, and I wanted to make sure there was no wrinkling whatsoever. So that's why I started with the thinner layer. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint the rest of the nails. And the second member that I wanted to shout out is Ebony's Nails. So She's also a member of my channel, so she has her YouTube and her Instagram as well. Again, I'm going to link her information down below, but check out her channel. She does a lot of product reviews, and she does a lot of nails, nail arts, trying different techniques and things like that as well. So if you guys are looking for new people to follow, new people to subscribe to, different perspectives, definitely check out the members that I'm shouting out, because each of them are a little bit different. Each of them do have different techniques, but I feel like you can learn something from all of them. I do watch the videos of the members that I'm shouting out in this collab, and I have worked with these ladies before, so I thoroughly enjoy their content. The third member that I'm shouting out is Pick You Color, and she is absolutely one of my favorite YouTubers. She does a lot of nail designs, and she uses not just gel polish. She has a series called Bougie on a Budget, and she will show you how to get a gorgeous design on a budget. Definitely I enjoy her content. She does also some vlog style videos every so often. She does unboxings and product reviews as well. So all three ladies definitely have different techniques and different styles, but they all have very good content. So I will link all of their information down below. These ladies are also participating with me in this collab. There will be a playlist of all of the collab videos. So there's only 4 videos in this collab. Please check out their channels. Please check out their videos. Definitely let them know that, you know, if you like their content, subscribe, leave them comments, like their videos. Definitely that's a really good way to support our channels. It's not about money all the time. Like, I do have a store. A lot of us do have stores or whatever, but definitely just giving videos thumbs up and subscribing and actually leaving content, it actually does a lot for our channels, especially when you're trying to have your videos pushed into YouTube's quote unquote algorithms and you want to show up on the suggested screen. So if you enjoy our content, definitely do that for us. Not just for me, for whatever YouTuber that you're watching. A lot of people won't say it, but hey, I'm gonna say it. So I did go in with a base coat, and I'm just adding some glitter and these cute little leaves that I got from Eden's Rose, and just curing that for, I think I actually cured it for 60 seconds. Usually with base coats only 30 seconds, but I cure it for 60 seconds. So I did the base coat and the glitter on all of the nails. I did forget to do it on the pinky nail though, and I could tell that just putting the glitter in the tacky layer of the gel polish, it's a huge difference than putting it in the tacky layer of the base coat. Just, it adheres a little bit better. And then if you want to move stuff around slightly, you still have a little bit of wiggle room to do that as well, versus just putting it right into the tacky layer of the gel polish. So I'm just going to apply the glitter to all of the nails. And I know this isn't the most intricate design. This is a very simple fall design. But like I said, this is the 4th video that I tried to do. Like, I just don't know what's going on. Like, lately I just haven't been, I don't know. My nail ideas in my head, I haven't been able to execute them. And I was just kind of thinking that maybe it's just because I just need to keep practicing. Like, I've reached a stage in my journey and I'm trying all of these more intricate things and I'm not really able to execute them yet. So it just means I just need to keep practicing and not get frustrated and just keep trying. So that's definitely something that, you know, I'm going to be working on a little bit more. Some different types of nail art, some trendy nail arts, just to nail art, not nail arts, nail art, just to kind of step my game up just a little bit. But for me personally, I do like more simple designs. Especially on myself, I don't like anything too busy or too intricate. I actually could just get away with just wearing solid color nails. Um, and the nails that I do have on, I will be doing that video will be out this Sunday, if not sooner. But basically, that was me doing again applying the full coverage nail tips with acrylic. So definitely make sure you're subscribed and your notifications are on so that you don't miss that video. I have been talking about doing that video for a while, so I did record that in between doing my gel design, my fall designs. I was like, let me just take a break and let me just do my nails. And the acrylic I used is from two black-owned businesses. I used Icy from Plugged Acrylics, and I used Raspberry from Eden's Rose. And definitely look out for that video. Should be out my next video, which should be Sunday. Again, if not sooner. So I did go in with a layer of base coat, which is not 100% necessary. The reason I went in with base coat is because I wanted to get as much texture from the glitter off my nails. You guys, I hate textured nails, even though I'm not wearing this and this is on my flexi hand, so it really doesn't matter. But if you were doing this on yourself and you wanted to get rid of texture, you just go in with a layer of base coat. And don't worry too much about losing the shape of your nail, because you can always do finish filing, which I didn't really have to do too much, but I did leave that in the video. I could have went in with a little bit more base coat, or I could have went in with a little bit of builder gel and encapsulated the nails, but I didn't want to do a lot of filing, so I just went in with the base coat. So go in with another layer of base coat to kind of smooth that surface out a little bit, so when you put your top coat on, it's a little bit smoother. Go in with the base coat, cure that for 30, 60 seconds, whatever, and then go back in with your top coat. I went back in with my top coat and I turned my nail upside down just to kind of make sure that I can, the gel would kind of not pull in one place, because I went in with thicker coats. So do want to make sure it doesn't pull in one place, and then turn the hand upside down for, a few seconds, then put that in the lamp and cure that. When I pulled it out, I did do a little bit of full finish filing. There was a small pull of polish on the thumb, and then a little bit on that finger there. But yeah, there's multiple ways to get rid of the texture of a nail. You could also, after you've top coated it, you can buff the nail out and then just reapply another coat of top coat. Or you can do what I did, or you can encapsulate it and then just file it. So there's multiple ways to get rid of that texture. If you don't mind the texture, then just top coat it and move on with your life. But it's really a preference thing and a time thing, depending on how much time you have or how much time you really want to spend, if you feel like filing, what have you. But yeah, there's multiple ways to do it. This is just how I decided to do it in this video. Okay guys, this is the finished set of nails. I think they turned out cute, a lot better than the other sets of nails I did for this collab. So please check out the other collab videos. Again, that playlist will be linked at the end. Also, I will link all the members, my channel members that participated in this collab. I will be linking their channels down below. So please check those out. If you enjoyed this video, even if you didn't enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And even if you didn't enjoy this video, leave me a comment down below. So again, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. I appreciate you all so much, and I will see everybody again soon for another video. Thanks again for watching.